For more than 20 years, Intec Automation has been serving as a systems integrator providing custom automation through designing and building completely modular solutions for the medical, life science, aerospace, and automotive industries, among others. Our new 30,000 square foot manufacturing hub allows us to be a one-stop shop for our customers. We are far more than a machine builder. We can help you develop a custom automation solution for your repetitive and manual processes while producing consistent and measurable results by decreasing cycle time, improving quality, and reducing operating costs. As a full-service partner, Intec is ready to help every step of the way, starting with fine-tuning an initial concept to designing, building, programming, testing, installing, and providing support. Intec solutions leverage its highly sophisticated engineering expertise and technologies, along with in-house mechanical and electrical design, certified project management professionals, procurement, fabrication, computerized numerical control machining, mechanical and electrical assembly, UL panel building, debugging, and acceptance testing. We provide each customer with a turnkey solution, solving complex problems, and are proud to have maintained a 90% customer retention rate over our 20-plus years in business. Contact us if you have an operation to automate or project to review.